Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating the Unity project and linking your C# editor. Open Unity Hub, make a new project, and choose 2D or 3D based on gameplay needs. Once done, set the scripting runtime to Net4x and confirm your scripting backend. Make sure Visual Studio or VS Code is installed with the C# and Unity tooling so you have IntelliSense and debugger support. Finally, create an assembly definition, if organizing code, into modular assemblies from the start. You now implement core gameplay systems in C#. Start by creating game objects and attach small, single-responsibility mono behavior scripts. Use awake for initialization, start for seeded setup, and update for per-frame logic. Prefer fixed timers or coroutines for timing. Serialize fields to tweak values in the inspector rather than hardcoding. Once done, extract shared data into scriptable objects and connect systems using C# events or Unity event to avoid tight coupling. You finish by polishing, profiling, and building. Use the profiler to find CPU or GPU bottlenecks and reduce garbage by pooling and avoiding frequent allocations. Adjust physics layers and quality settings for target devices, then configure build settings and platform modules and run full tests on the target hardware. If things go wrong, inspect console stack traces, re-import problematic assets, and check assembly definition references and scripting runtime mismatches. Make sure to run the debugger to step through runtime exceptions and resolve null references.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.